impression, you do still have those lines there,
Yeah.
which with the Vampire facelift that we talked about, which is your own growth cells injected into the skin instead of doing the microneedling just from the topical aspect. So the Vampire facelift will actually help with the PRP. It makes the process for the collagen and elastin to come together and fill those areas in.
Right.
I do want to utilize some fillers today as well.
Yes, of course.
So with, you're kind of noticing that volume loss and the droopiness that you described. I'd like to use Voluma to just kind of lift it just a little naturally.
Right,
So even if I lift a little, you see how much better that gets, and it's still natural. It's not that your face is really tucked up that way.
Right.
And Voluma lasts for 2 years.
Great.
And the Vampire facelift will last for about a year, and then we'll reassess around at 6 months to see if we need to do a touch-up of any kind. But the facelift, the PRP will help with all the texture, with all the spots. Go ahead.
I was going to say one more thing. The dark circles and lines under the eyes, will this have much effect on that? Or, I mean, I would expect some improvement, or is there other things that I would need to do?
So I am going to inject some of the PRP under what we call the tear trough area, so that, again, the body starts to work with that collagen and elastin that we lose with aging. If at 6 months it's still, if you still feel that there's some kind of hollowness, we can always go back in and do a filler there, which really makes it very even, and there's no separation like you're seeing. And then the dark eyes generally are because of the vascularity that's under the skin.
Sure.
And we separate that with the filler.
Okay.
And we are also doing a microneedling session today right after the Vampire facelift, which will even better, in about 3 weeks we'll start noticing how the skin is even, it's glowy, but sunscreen is really important for you, okay? Of course. So that's what you would be doing. So that's pretty much overall what we're doing today for him, and he'll see the results for the next year to 2 years.
Fantastic. That sounds great. Well, we are excited to get you started here.
I'm excited
and
to get started too.
See those results happening pretty quick. Will he notice some immediate effect? I know you said filler. That usually gives some immediate gratification because people always
first smile, you'll see the cheeks kind of pop a little bit.
You would. However, today I am doing the Vampire facelift, which will give you a little bit of the puffiness for the next 3 hours. And that will go down. But with the filler itself, it's an immediate gratification, and you will notice, and it is what you see is what you get. So it's a very good way of doing something quick and easy, and that lasts 2 years.
Fantastic. Well, Billy, any words of advice for other guys out there that are thinking about, making themselves just, feel and look a little more youthful?
Come in for a consultation. Don't be scared. I mean, really, I put it off longer than I should have, and I'm excited now to be getting started on this journey. So don't put it off. Just come on in for a consultation today.
All right. Well, fantastic. Thanks for coming to see us here at Blue. And Ferrina, Billy, you guys have a good time today.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thanks,
take care.
John.
Bye-bye.